guys, it's Maureen, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make slime. So this is the slime. The texture is really good and it's only very simple. It's only like using shampoo only. But I use L'Oreal's shampoo. So yeah, this really like a jelly slime. But if we touch it, it will be like sticky because it's made of shampoo. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is how to make this. The ingredients just very simple. And yeah, so the first ingredients are shampoo. I'm using new L'Oreal, L'Oreal Kids Extra Gentle 2-in-1 Swim and Sport Sunny Orange Shampoo. And yeah, it's for kids. And I got this for my mother. And the next thing to put the slime and a thing to mix with. So I'm using this plastic spoon. I'm not gonna use this one, but I'm just gonna use this one. So, and don't forget to put it at the fridge. I'm putting like very long. Like how many minutes, I don't know either. And later it will be such very nice. So, let's get started. So the first, you guys need to pour this. Like how many you guys want it. So hard. Oh my goodness, wait. I cannot use. So I'm gonna use like mini. As many as that, I'm pretty sure. Then you guys need to mix it until like it's like still liquid, but later it will. This one is clear, so that's why I really like clear. And after you guys mix it like until powdery, or like there's some so later it will be like this. And after you're done doing this, put it on the fridge for how many long? And I'm just going to do 10 minutes. 20 minutes. So bye. Bye. After waiting for that, I'm just going to play with my slime. I'll tell you guys. So later, if it's done, we put it on the fridge and it will be like this. But this one is the one who I make the first. This not really stretchy because I don't know how it's the texture. And yeah, it's good. I know. Oh, it's sticky because we need salt. Oh yeah, we need salt, I remember. But I don't want because later I don't really like the texture because when we like touch it, it will be like, I don't know. So let's just move to the salt. Bye-bye. Let's get the salt. So I got the salt over here. Here, it sticks. And we're just gonna open it. I'm just going to get a little tiny bit here. But I'm just gonna get a little, not many as this. And this is the slime over here. Okay, let's mix it first. See, the texture is not really nice for me. Okay, if it's done like this, like there's no salt again, you just need to put it at the fridge. Bye-bye. You guys, I have something great over here. I see the clear one, the slime that I make it for you guys to see the review. is usually clear, very clear and very nice. I see it. And after we're boring, it's still like a long time to wait. That we're just gonna play my slime. So yeah. And I got my slime over here. This is the slime, all of the slime that I sell, but of course not this one. I didn't sell this one because that one is not really nice, the texture. So that's why. And yeah. But there's the loud voice. I like the most is this one, the blue one that I make by myself. All of them is homemade, but this one is not homemade. The jelly slime, it's clear, as you guys could see. It's clear, like the slime that I'm making. And this is the same, usually the same as this one. There's the beads over here. If you guys check my Instagram, there's the beads. It's really fantastic. It's real stretchy and it's holdable, and the sound is really big, like very, very big. I don't know how to explain again. Here, goodness. Okay, there. So this is my favorite. Wait, I'll show you guys my favorite. This one, Jelly Slime, Rinso Slime, Rinso Slime, Biore Slime, Mixing Slime, Glue and Slime Activator Slime. And that's all. I don't really like this one because I make it and then it just become watery. And yeah, that's all. And see you guys later. So I put this on the fridge and it be like really slimy and nice. I see it from there, right? You guys also can see it. And yeah. And this is my battery's getting lower on my phone. Yeah. So it's getting like nicer when we put some salt. It became nicer. Oh, it's still sticky, but it's like a little bit hard if we slow. It's hard, but if we do like fast, it will be light. Yeah. So yeah, let's move on to the next one, the clear one. Bye-bye. So this is the real truth. It's really nice. I don't know how I want to explain, but it's really, really nice, as you guys could see. And really stretchy, and it will be clear, absolutely clear. I want to hold this. I want to keep it until I'm gone. It's really heavy, but now I'm just going to try to... Oh, it looks like a jelly. It doesn't stick, you guys. So that means I'm going to use that shampoo. So thank you for watching this video. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye. Peace.